Should I have neurocognitive testing to prove my long-term disability claim if I've had a traumatic brain injury? The answer is absolutely yes. Why? Well, obviously the manifestations of TBI can occur both from a physical standpoint, but they can occur from a cognitive standpoint. And we want to be able to measure objectively what those restrictions and limitations are, what those deficits are, and then tie that all together. Now, obviously, we're going to start out with a brain scan or an MRI that will document the organic injury that you have, but it can be hard to show the extent and nature of your cognitive issues just based on a scan. So I always like to get neurocognitive testing, neuropsychological testing, to establish a baseline. Now, you are probably having difficulty in executive functioning. You may have difficulty controlling your emotions, paying attention, those sorts of things. I know that your family will know exactly what the nature of the problems are that you're having. And when we arrange the neuropsychological testing, we want to do it from two perspectives. The first is what your occupational duties are, because we have to prove that you can't engage in the material and substantial duties of your occupation. But we also want to understand what the problems are that you're having so that we can establish a causal relationship between that TBI and those difficulties. And the way to do that is to have the neuropsychologist do the right kind of testing that will measure the deficit you have in relationship to your occupational duties. Now, ultimately, I'm going to ask your medical doctor to sign off on the results, because we want to tie this together with the opinion of a vocational evaluator who will address the material and substantial duties of your occupation, why you're having difficulties doing those in lieu of the organic issues that you're having, and the neuropsychological testing results, and get a report that confirms you can't do the material and substantial duties of your occupation. Now, by the way, I use that neuropsychological testing in the Social Security disability claim that also should be filed as a result of your traumatic brain injury. If you have any questions about your rights to long-term disability benefits as a result of TBI or Social Security disability benefits, contact me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve, including Social Security benefits, regardless of where you live in the United States. I'm one of the few lawyers who do both Social Security disability and ERISA long-term disability work. So I look forward to talking with you and explaining to you and your family how to get the disability benefits you deserve.